Kia ora, ko Sharon Holt tōku ingoa. Hope you're having a rest break, and if you're not, I hope you're having one soon. Many people are doing more resting and playing and enjoying nice weather, hopefully, for you. And so I've got some phrases here that we can use, such as me koko, let's swim. So me is about, it can be should, but I like to call it a let's. Me koko, let's swim. So if it's hot where you are, you might be wanting to have a swim, and you could say me koko. And if there's lots of people that you're wanting to join in with you, just say me koko tātou, let's all swim. Me tākaro is let's play, and that's the phrase in our book Whai Mai all the way through. Me tākaro tātou, and you could just say me tākaro, let's play. So these are things that we might do when we're having not having to work. Me koko, let's swim. Me tākaro, let's play. Me haere, the title of this one, let's go. Maybe we're going somewhere to do something, having a bit of fun. Me haere. And me kani kani, let's dance. So there's lots of ways that you can use me with a verb after it, and I hope you have lots of fun doing it and practicing te reo Māori at the same time. Ka kite.